Hey there! Today we're going to make a really fun toy using paper. Let's apply the Kirigami technique. To make this, you will need a rectangular paper. I've taken a paper with texture on both sides, a scale, an eraser, a pencil and some scissors. First, take this textured sheet and fold it in the center into half like this. Open the sheet and make sure it's firm. Take a scale. Leave 2 centimeters from the top and from the bottom and connect these two dots. With the help of a scale, mark dots at 1.5 centimeters apart on this line. Once you're done marking, erase off that extra bit at the bottom. To make things easier, let's start marking 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 0 in the center, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 like this. Take the point between 5 and 0 and draw a line perpendicular to this. Now, let's again mark points at 1.5 centimeter apart in the new line as well. This is going to be a little tricky, so watch carefully. Mark a point between 0 and 5 like this and draw another light line. Now, let's mark points in between the existing points like this. To avoid confusion, let's erase off all the lines and leave the dots alone. Take a pencil and connect all these dots like this. Let's mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 on these smaller triangles. Now, let's make curve connections in between the dots. Just connect the numbers. It's a lot easier this way. Repeat the same connection process in the numbers at the bottom as well. If you feel the need to change any curve shape, feel free to erase them and draw them again neatly. Now fold the paper into half and let's start cutting. Make sure to cut along all the curves, both on the left and on the right side like this. Once you're done cutting, it's time to start folding. Fold along the crisscross lines on both sides like this. Repeat the process for each and every curve. When you're done, open the sheet and you have a beautiful pattern that looks like this. Now for the last and final step. Fold and rotate each curve towards you like this. As you keep folding and rotating each circle, you will realize that the outer card folds itself towards the inside. Make sure to fold and rotate all circles until the last and tiny bit. Once you're done, the paper appears stiff. Now let's close it. And that's it. Your fun Kirigami toy is now ready. Enjoy and happy creating!